Assalamu alaikum. Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to you in science class. Today we are going to discuss that which environment is good or bad for the growth of plants. So here on page number 68 we have a topic which is not too hot and not too cold, which shows that both the weathers, whether it is hot or cold, are not good for plants.
السلام عليكم
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته.
السلام عليكم أستاذ.
السلام عليكم
Hello teacher. My name is Abdulrahman Asmari.
Hello everyone. Open your books, page number 68.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
وعليكم السلام.
السلام عليكم. What's this?
68, 69.
Okay.
Okay, on this page we have about weather or environment which is good for plants. Learn that temperature changes the way plants grow. Like if plant is growing somewhere, temperature changes. Temperature yani harar, right? If I'm right. Plants grow best when the temperature is just right for them. Like what? Like if you grow a plant and put it inside the room which is closed from everywhere, no light, no water, will it grow? Will the plant grow if you put it inside the room or inside the box?
No.
No, because plant needs the right temperature and the right environment as well. Light and some heat and some cold, like that. So plants grow best when the temperature is just right for them. Like here you can see this is a very hot place and this is very cold place, but on both places you can see some plants because this weather suits this plant and this weather suits this plant. But if you change their place, like this plant, you put it here and this plant, you put it here, what will happen? They both will die because they need a right place for them. Okay, I need someone to read, please. Who is interested in reading now?
Teacher, my.
Yes, Turkey Bandar, please start this box.
Okay. Flowering plants grow best when the
Temperature
is just right for them to grow. So plants like to grow in hot temperatures and some in very cold temperatures. Most plants like warm temperatures. A plant that grows in hot temperatures cannot survive in very cold temperatures. A plant that grows in cold temperatures cannot survive in very hot temperatures.
Very nice. Okay, now I will tell you, as I told you before, very hot places, if they like cold temperature, they cannot grow in hot places. And if they like hot places, they cannot grow in cold places or cold temperatures or cold environment. So what is the question? Here you can see a plant, right? This is the temperature, which is minus almost 10 or something like 8 or 7, because it's before minus 10, so it could be minus 5. So what happened, what has happened to this plant? Who will tell me? This is minus. Minus is cold or hot? Who will tell me?
Cold.
Cold. It's mean the here this is cold. Minus mean cold temperature, right? So what has happened to this plant? Here you can see what has happened to this plant.
Die.
Yes, it has died, or you can say it is not died, but the leaves are damaged. You can see the leaves are damaged. The leaves are damaged. Okay. Then the other one, it is too cold or too hot for this plant. As you said, it is too cold, not too hot, because the temperature is in minus, so it is too cold. That's what you write here. Okay. This temperature, we are talking about this temperature. You can see the red one, red spot, red line, which shows the temperature which is in minus. So that's why it is, we call it cold. Then on the next page, page 69, you can see the temperature is very high. I can't read it well, but I think it is, who can tell me what is the number here in centigrades? 40, 20, 30, 40, almost 50, right? 40 to 50, 45. You can say 45 degrees centigrade. So if this is 40, it's mean it's hot. What has happened to this plant? The leaves are wilted. The leaves are wilted. Sorry, you write here have, not are. The leaves have wilted. It's done. Okay, then it is too cold or too hot. As I told you, it is too cold, sorry, hot. It is too hot. My voice is clear, right? Sot koi, sir? Yes, Abdul Aziz Muhammad. You have any question?
Yes, it is very good.
Thank you. Yeah. Okay.
Yes, teacher, it is very good.
Thank you, Turki.
You're welcome.
Okay, next we have Abdul Ghani. Open your mic. Read this paragraph.
Yes.
Habibi, read this.
Think
Think about.
Think about how you would carry out an
investigation
to test how temperature
very good affects
plant
growth. Very good. Investigation yani taftish. Okay. How would you make it fair test? How would you make it fair test? This is a question. We can make fair test Tick the things you would do in a fair test, cross the things you would not do in a fair test. So first thing is make sure the plants are same size. Yes, we should check the plants should be the same size. Give the plants same amount of water. Yes, we should give them same amount of water. Give the plants different amount of light. No, we need the same amount of light to check them. Make one experiment last longer than the other. No, this is also wrong. We have to fix the time for both experiments, or how many experiments you are doing. We need the same amount of light and same the other things. We will read this after this when we finish. So here we have, why is this helpful to vegetables, fruits and flowers growers? For this one, we are talking about this one. Okay, this is helpful. They can grow.
I have finished من زمان.
And cell produce all year around.
أستاذ ممكن أقرأ؟
ايوه دقيقة بس انا اخلص هذه، ايوه خلص الكتابة بعدين ان شاء الله يقرأ. اوكي. You can see this. They can grow and self produce all year around. Okay. Next. Look at the pictures and decide how you would help the plants to survive. So first of all, we are talking about this plant which has a lot of heat. Number one. So what we will do, we will put, or we need to put the plant in a cooler place and give it some water. That's how we can save this plant. Put it in a cooler place and give it some water. Number two, how can we help this plant? This is cold, so we will put, or we have to put the plant in a warmer place. Put the plant in a warmer place. That's how we can help these plants.
أستاذ معك كفيل عبد العزيز المالكي.
هلا أسيل، تأخر يا حبيبي. You are late.
أستاذ عادي أقرأ؟
Yes, Abdulaziz Muhammad. You will read from here, okay? This one.
Flowering plant.
This one I said, ya akhi. This. Yes, Yamin, wait, please.
And about how you will carry out and live to test how temperature plant. How would you make it fair test?
Thank you, Abdulaziz.
The
Abdurrahman Muhammad, can you hear me?
yes.
Yes, please read this one here on the right side.
Greenhouses
This
and
one.
greenhouses are used to grow vegetables, fruits, and flowers. The air inside a greenhouse and bottle warms up quickly because
E-
hot because the hot all
Air.
air it is trapped inside the glass or plastic. This means that plant which like warm weather can grow in the colder months.
Thank you so much. Okay. Next we have Abdullah Salim.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, read this part.
I say 9.
Read. Yes, هي هذه.
Yes, from here, please.
Think about how you
From
want
here.
Yes, this is Flora. Flowering.
flowering plant grow best when the temperature is just right for them to grow. Some plants like to grow in hot temperature and some in very cold temperature. Most plants like warm temperature.
Most plant, not must, most.
Most plant like warm temperature. A plant that grows in hot temperatures cannot survive in very cold temperature. A plant that grow in cold temperature cannot survive in very hot temperatures.
Excellent, yeah, Habibi, excellent. That's great. Okay, then we have after Abdul Salim, Abdul Rahman and Namari.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, read this one.
Okay. Think about how are you all?
How you would carry out
You what you
carry out
and it's section
investigation. Hello.
SP16 2 tricks heart up a birthday effect blank growth.
Temperature was the mistake. Yamin, open your mic and read this side. يامن
أستاذ ممكن أقرأ؟
ايوه لازم يقرا كلكم ما في مشكله.
أنا بتسأل منصور أقرأ؟ مستر عادي أقرأ أنا أحمد الشو.
يس
أستاذ أنا أفيل أبغى أقرأ.
طيب كلكم يقرا ما في مشكله واحد ان شاء الله. احمد اشرف open your mic, read this side.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, read this one.
Greenhouses.
Greenhouse
Greenhouse and and polytunnels
Polytunnels
are
are used
proceed us to
grow
grow
vegetables
vegetate
Ahmad Ashraf, please rakis, Tamir, open your mic, read. Tamir.
Can I read the teacher?
Yes, Tamir, I called you. Read from here.
Do I read page 69 or 68?
68 here.
Okay.
Can you see the cursor? Yes.
Okay. Greenhouses and polytunnels are used to grow vegetables, fruits, and flowers. The air inside a greenhouse and a polytunnel warms up quickly because hot air is trapped inside the glass or plastic. This means that plants which like warm weather can grow in the colder months.
Thank you.
عاد أقرأ عن حذيفة.
Yes. Yes, please.
أستاذ أنا عادي أقرأ بعد حذيفة.
Yes, Battal, why not? Just wait, please. Let Battal.
Please, and me.
Everyone, don't worry, everyone. Okay. Battal Hatim, are you there?
Yes, I there.
Okay, Battal, open it. Yes. Read this side, please. From here.
Okay. Flowering plants grow best when
Come on, quickly.
the temperature is just right for them to grow. Some plants like grow in hot temperatures and some in very cold temperatures.
Okay, Battal, tell me,
Like
Battal, just wait. I have a question. If you want to grow a plant, like here you can see in this picture, if you saw this one here, okay, it will grow?
No,
What will happen?
it will die.
Yes, it will die. Very good. Okay. Next. Thank you, Battal. Huzaifa, please wait. I will call you, okay? Battal Mansoor, open your mic. Battal Mansoor.
نعم يا أستاذ.
Yes, open your mic and yes, read.
Flowering plants grow
Best, yes.
when the temperature is just
right.
right
Yes.
for them
Very good.
to grow. Some plants like to grow in hot
Temperatures.
temperatures and some in very cold
Temperatures. Okay, Battal, I have a question. Tell me that this plant here, what happened to this plant?
Cold.
Yes, because the temperature here you can see is cold. So this plant got damaged because of the cold. Thank you so much, Battal. Okay, Battal Mansoor. Abdurrahman, please don't open your mic. Let me call Hussam
Yes, teacher.
Al-Zahrani. Are you there? Hussam Al-Zahrani. Are you there? Yes. Tell me, Hussam, tell me what happened to this plant? It is damaged by hot or cold? The temperature here is hot or cold?
Cold.
This is cold, huh? Here.
Yes. Yes.
45 degree centigrade is hot or cold? Hussam, I told you that if, okay, I will ask somebody else. Thank you. Hussam, please concentrate, okay? Please, Rashid, open your mic, please. Rashid, can you hear me? Ammar Suleiman, can you hear me?
Yes, teacher. I am Rashid.
Okay, Rashid, you are late. Please wait. Ammar, what has happened to this plant? This is damaged because of hot or cold?
Water.
What? There is hot or cold, I asked. The temperature
Hot.
is high or low? Hot, yes, very good. Because of hot weather, what has happened to the leaves? What happened? Huh? They are wilted. It's written here. Look, what has happened to this plant? This is the question. The leaves have wilted. The leaves here you can see they are not fresh. They are wilted. Understand, Ammar?
Yes.
Thank you so much. Okay, so I will call Faisal.
Me. Rashid.
Okay,
Yes.
Rashid. After Faisal, please. Okay, Faisal, please read this one here.
Okay. Okay. Think about how you would carry out an investigation to test how temperature affects plant growth.
Yes, thank you so much, Faisal. Okay, Faisal, can you tell me what is the temperature here? Is it cold or hot in this thermometer, you can say?
This is cold.
This is cold, very good, because this is minus. And if the temperature shows in minus digits, we say this is cold weather. Thank you so much, Faisal. Okay. Let me call Rashid. Can you hear me now? Rashid, are you with me? Okay, Safwan, are you there?
Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher.
Yes.
Rashid, you
Yes,
always come
teacher.
late. Now wait, again. Safwan, here you can see there is a plant, right? There is high temperature because of the sunlight. So what can you do to save this plant? What is your turn? What will you do? Because there is a lot of heat because of sunlight and the plant is going to be wilted. So what will you do to save this plant?
They give the
Okay, anyone else? Okay, Safwan, no problem. Please be with us, okay? Yes, Faisal, can you answer?
No.
Okay, anyone else? What can we do to this plant to save it? This plant. Number one. Yes, Battal Mansoor, Rashid, Tamir, Turkey, anyone. Yes, Yasir.
Okay.
Yes,
Teacher
I'm
Mimi.
Rashid. Mimi Rashid.
yes, Rashid, please.
My teacher, it is back
Okay.
the plant.
Me teacher, me. I'm Rashid.
Yamin, please wait. Yes, Rashid, I am waiting for you.
Okay. What?
How can you save this plant, which is here on the right side, page 69 at the end?
Okay. I don't even know.
Okay, Yasir. Yes,
Yes, I'm here.
yes, Yasir, can you answer for this question? You can remove the heat and put it in a cold place. This is the answer. Because there is a lot of heat, okay, you can remove the heat and you can put this in a cold place. This is the answer. Simply.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, now we are out of time. Okay. Thank you so much. We will revise this inshallah tomorrow again. See you next time.
Goodbye.
Mr.